everyone, Saya Senpai. Today we are breaking down everything we currently know about the Apothecary Diaries Season 3, including the release window, the unexpected movie announcement, and why the next arc might change the series forever. Season 3 release window. Let's start with the official news. According to reports compiled from anime coverage and industry reports by GamesRadar and production information listed on Wikipedia, Season 3 of the Apothecary Diaries is currently planned for October 2026, but the release strategy is a little unusual. Instead of one continuous broadcast, the season will follow a split core format. That means the story will be divided into two parts. The schedule currently looks like this. Part 1 October 2026, Part 2 April 2027. But the release schedule actually reveals something even more interesting, because between those two parts, the franchise will release something unexpected. Now, the surprise. The Apothecary Diaries is also getting an anime movie. The film is currently planned for December 2026, right between the two halves of Season 3. According to anime reporting from GamesRadar, the movie will feature an original story written by the series creator Natsuyuga. That's a big deal, because unlike many anime movies that simply adapt existing arcs, this one is expected to tell a completely new story within the series world. So the timeline for fans could look like this. Season 3, Part 1, October 2026, anime movie, December 2026, Season 3, Part 2, April 2027. But here's where things get really interesting, because the story that Season 3 adapts might take the series somewhere it has never gone before. The story is about to change. Early in the video, I mentioned that the next arc could change the location of the story entirely, and the location is known as the Western Capital. Season 3 will likely adapt volumes 5 and 6. Up until now, most events in the story have taken place inside the Imperial Palace. That setting allowed the anime to explore mysteries involving poisoned food, secret conspiracies, hidden rivalries, and palace politics. But moving the story to the Western capital expands the world dramatically. This means new regions, new factions, and new political conflicts that Mao Mao has never encountered before. So here's everything we currently know. Season 3 of the Apothecary Diaries is expected to release Part 1 October 2026, Part 2 April 2027. Between those two parts, the franchise will also release an anime movie in December 2026. So, are you excited for the Apothecary Diaries Season 3? And do you think the story moving outside the palace will make the series even better? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more anime news and hidden details. Until next time, this is Saya Senpai.